While helping locate and get stranded drivers off these dangerous roads has been an all-hands-on-deck situation all over the state today. CDOT sent out its Emergency Assistance Patrol right along I-25. They come equipped with tow straps, first aid, even flares. They got it all. CBS 4's Jacqueline Quinn with more on the response tonight. Jacqueline, we know ambulances can't stay parked. They have to respond to emergency calls.
And, you know, it's obviously hard getting around. I'm 5'6", and this stuff comes all the way up to my knees. So that part is obvious. But when you consider the emergency responders and those who work in safety patrol, they already have a challenging job. This adds a level of difficulty to their jobs. And often during these conditions, they have to wear more than one hat. As Denver Metro was being swallowed up in a blanket of snow, the work for safety crews and first responders was just beginning.
Yesterday, we worked 14 hours like we're doing today, expecting it to be this, but it didn't come. This right here was a big surprise.
Kelly Lowe monitors the roadways to make sure it's safe for drivers.
It just got bad real fast.
With such terrible road conditions, just about everyone has needed help, even ambulances.
It's been a fun day out here, working with the snow, still helping patients out and making sure everyone's safe and taken care of. We've noticed a few people stuck trying to help them out and get them shoveled out of the snow. We've gotten ourselves stuck at least once already.
Christina Lemunion is a first responder with Action Care Ambulance.
A lot of stuck cars, people just kind of trapped in their cars.
She's even helped to dig some of the cars out.
People are surprised we're out here, and it's taken us a while to get to certain calls.
And it was pretty rough for a Colorado native like Kelly Lowe, too.
Chains, I've been using these all day.
Lowe knows the work to help people in these conditions is usually not easy, but very much needed. Now, those cars that we saw stuck on the road, they did get off the road, but it took them 1 to 2 hours, so that may be a warning for you. For now, reporting in Greenwood Village, I'm Jacqueline Quinn, covering Colorado First.
Jacqueline, thank you.